a nigga hit the lottery, so when you going up, how can you plummet? Damn, you stun it. On the land, when you expand the grands, they understand who run it. In the gym, you brung it. Coming from all the fans, the Kansas City man do.
Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, okay. Y'all know I don't do mukbangs. I watch them, or mukbangs, or however you say it. But I decided, since I was eating my meal of the day, because I mainly eat once a day, one meal a day. I haven't had Chipotle in months. So I decided to get a salad. So on my salad, I actually have lettuce, sour cream, barbacoa, cheese, guacamole. I use my own sauce. It's 0 carb. This is the Spanish Gardens taco sauce, extra hot. That's what that looks like. I got this from Price Chopper. So yeah, I use this because Chipotle's veggies and salsas have carbs in it. I didn't want to have any unnecessary carbs, so I just put my own sauce on it. And then I have some Quest protein chips, loaded taco, 4 carbs for the whole bag, and 19 protein, 140 calories, and 5 grams of fat. Now, I'm gonna eat a few of these with this, not a lot. And then I have my strawberry lemonade, 2 carbs for the whole bottle, and 5 calories. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat. I actually did take a bite already because I couldn't wait. I have not ate since yesterday, and the girl is hungry. So y'all might hear the kids too, because I'm just trying to hurry to film this before it gets too late. It's 5 o'clock and I don't eat after 7, or I try not to. So yeah, these chips are really good. Of course it's protein, but they're really good. Let me show y'all a close-up of my food first before I dive in. It's just a salad, and that's my sauce. The calories of this entire bowl is 725 calories, and my intake right now each day is 1,288. And this entire bowl is 16 carbs. The main amount of carbs came from the guacamole. It's 8 carbs in the guacamole, but I love guacamole, so yeah. And that's another reason I'm not gonna eat a lot of these, because if I eat these, it'll take me exactly to 20, and I could eat the whole bag, but I don't like to hit 20. The most I like to hit is 18, so we'll see. Yeah, I just thought it would be nice to show y'all. At first I was gonna go live, but I was like, I don't know if I want to go live, so maybe next time. Also, disclaimer, I'm not a mukbang channel. I love to watch the videos, but maybe every now and then, whenever I get something that's keto friendly, that's fast food, I'll show y'all in a mukbang or a live. And people would consider this more dirty keto because, you know, you didn't make it, and it has a little more carbs. But like I said, I can have 20, and this isn't even 20 carbs. So y'all, today at work, it was hectic. A lot went on. I wish I could tell y'all some stuff with my job, but my job is real secretive. You can't talk about the company. Yeah, stuff like that. But now that we're under new management, or somebody bought us out, I don't know if that still applies. If we could like discuss stuff, I'll find out next week. But it's Friday. I'm happy to be off work. I felt like time was going by so slow. But I got off like 30 minutes earlier, which is good. Which I already pretty much have a good decent shift. So yeah, I'm gonna try to eat this whole thing. I get full easily, especially with stuff like this, but I'm gonna try because like I said, this is OMAD and I haven't ate since yesterday. All I've had today was water and electrolytes. Tons of water. I'm almost at a gallon, but I think I need to take in 28 more ounces of water. And that's my water bottle, and I'll be done for my water today. Yeah, I'm gonna just eat a few more of these chips. I feel like I'm getting full, and if I continue to eat the chips with this, oh yeah, that's why I probably couldn't do no mukbangs even if I wanted to, like keto mukbangs. Like I know some people do keto mukbangs, like Ketoliciousness, I think that's her name. I put her channel in the description box. She does keto and also does mukbangs. Like literally her channel is a mukbang channel. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, why am I belching? This is what I'm talking about. Keto gets you full fast. Yeah, I got my daughter watching me. Woo! And y'all, if y'all notice my glasses looking a little crazy, they're broke. I got some new ones coming in this week, but I don't feel like putting contacts in, and I wanted to be able to see, so if this camera stopped recording, I could see. If y'all are wondering where I got this low carb water drink, and it's so good, y'all, so good. People on my Instagram, my keto Instagram, know I live by this. I got it from Price Chopper. You can get it from Walmart. You can get it from gas stations, Quick Trip. You can get it anywhere. So yeah, y'all, this food is really good. I don't know if because I'm talking I'm getting even fuller quicker. So I'm gonna try to enjoy my food so I'm gonna still talk to y'all. So some of y'all have asked me, let me get one more chip. Some of y'all have asked me how much weight I've lost, which I am gonna do an updated video about everything with my keto stuff, but I will say 70 pounds, well 71 pounds. So yeah, I'm losing weight fairly quickly. I need this at least to be 10 minutes, so it'll be worth a good mukbang, y'all. But the girl's getting full. But y'all tell me if y'all like these kind of videos. Again, if y'all want to see it, or if this is too much to see people eating, just let me know in the comments if y'all want me to do these whenever I happen to go out and get something keto-ish or whatever. It'll have to be brought home because I don't think I'm gonna ever record eating in public. Excuse me. But y'all let me know if y'all like this. I'm just trying to do more content. Also, I will be recording a story time tomorrow, so y'all will have that. It should be done by Monday. It'll be up Monday. It's not about Bob. We're over Bob, unless he does something currently which affects my kids. Then maybe y'all get a story, but he don't do nothing, so I don't deal with him. So, but I'm gonna record that for y'all tomorrow. I wasn't gonna tell that story, but hey, why not? It's been over 10 years, so we Gucci. So yeah, y'all, if y'all don't like Chipotle, which I know some people don't like it because people say it's not, which it's not, I mean, authentic Mexican food, but I love Chipotle. The one thing I used to eat a lot at Chipotle was the burrito with the brown rice. What else? The cheese, the mild and hot salsa, sour cream, extra sour cream. That's how fat. Extra sour cream, cheese. Did I add beans? I think I might have added beans sometimes, but not all the time. And what else? Guacamole. I feel like I'm missing something. Sometimes even the fajita. But, and then that, y'all know how many calories are in that burrito? It's ridiculous. And on top of that, like, I would eat that later in the night, and then who knows what I ate earlier in the day. I used to be a snacker. I used to eat all kinds of stuff throughout the day. Candy, just, and then feel like crap too. You know, yeah, it was a mess. And my husband, he actually still eats Chipotle, not the keto way. And I had never seen this, but it's called a, I guess it's a secret menu item, and he got it, and it's called it's like a quesadilla burrito or something, or I don't even know if I'm saying that right. It's like you do the burrito and then you wrap it up in another cheese-filled tortilla, and it looked so good and so disgusting at the same time. He ate it like a month ago, and you know, I don't cheat often, and I didn't even cheat when I seen him doing that, but I just was like, and he ate the whole thing, and I was looking like, babe, how can you eat that? Now, I love cheese, so the cheese, it was gushing out of it, looked amazing, but all the other stuff in the tortilla wrap, it just, I was like, okay, I can't watch you eat this no more. I had to go upstairs. It was making my head hurt. So he was like, you gonna have to try it one day. I was like, I don't know. That's a whole lot of burrito already as it is, and then to top it off with another cheesy filled tortilla or something, like, it was a lot, y'all, and it was so fat. But yeah, Chipotle is good. This ain't gonna be an extremely long mukbang, however you say it. Yeah, I be trying to figure it out. I watch B Loves Life. I love her channel, and honey, I be like, okay, what is it called? So yeah, I think I'm done. I'm full, for real. I'm full. So I drank a little more than half of my like, my stomach is tight. And I ate a pretty good, decent amount of my bowl. At least half or more than half of my bowl. But I did pretty good. And I won't be eating again until tomorrow. Now, tomorrow, though, I also will be filming a what I eat in a day video on keto. And when I do those videos for y'all, y'all know, typically I'll eat 2 meals and a snack, or just sometimes 2 meals, but it's keto friendly. So I'm gonna be filming one of those tomorrow. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope I gave y'all some information while y'all watching me eat. Again, got these from Amazon. I'm sure they sell them at GNC or something. So thank y'all for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. And also make sure to turn on y'all bell notifications so y'all know when I post a new video. Come on, I'm trying to get to 100K eventually. You know, let's work together. Let's do this. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, loves. Oof.